Major key specs have surfaced recently about the Samsung S24 lineup, thanks to a Twitter post by @EVLeaks, and today, I'll be sharing that information from the leaked spec sheet posted by him. Starting off with display and brightness, the Galaxy S24 is expected to sport a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X Full HD Plus display, while the S24 Plus will likely boast a larger 6.7-inch AMOLED 2X Quad HD Plus panel. The S24 Ultra is rumored to offer the most immersive viewing experience, with a 6.8-inch AMOLED 2X Quad HD Plus display. Regardless of size, all three models are set to achieve a peak brightness of 2600 nits. Moving on to imaging, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus appear to share a 50-megapixel main camera, along with a dual telephoto lens setup, offering 2x and 3x optical zoom. However, the S24 Ultra raises the bar with a rumored 200-megapixel main sensor and a quad telephoto lens system. This setup boasts 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x optical zoom, along with a 100x space zoom. Differentiating further, the leak suggests a slight disparity in memory and storage options. The Galaxy S24 is expected to feature 8GB of RAM, and either 128GB or 256GB of storage, while the S24 Plus and Ultra will likely come equipped with 12GB of RAM, and either 256GB or 512GB of storage. Fast charging will be a common denominator across the S24 lineup. However, battery capacities are set to vary. The S24 is rumored to have a 4000 mAh battery, followed by the S24 Plus with a larger 4900 mAh capacity, and the Ultra will take the lead with a 5000 mAh battery. In terms of build quality, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are expected to utilize a durable Armor Aluminum 2.0 frame. Meanwhile, the S24 Ultra takes a step up in luxury with a rumored titanium construction. These are all major specs that have been leaked recently, just a month before the expected Samsung Unpacked event. Thank you for watching and have a great day.